Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Emirates HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Emirates HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in hrdirect.emirates.com and make a search. The login page of Emirates HR's account will appear on the screen. Now enter your email address and password associated with your Emirates HR's account and tap on sign in. Click on the blue here option if you forgot your password or in case if you want to reset your password. This is how you can log into your Emirates HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.